Hi guys, today we are cooking some braised samp. Before we start, you need to soak the samp overnight and boil on the stove or in a pressure cooker until the samp is soft. To start off, heat up some oil with maybe about 1.5 tablespoons of margarine. To that, add half a teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds, some curry leaves, one onion diced up, two to three dry chilies, and I like to add some crushed chili flakes for a bit of a sting. Also to this we need to add about a teaspoon of crushed ginger and garlic. If you want the samp to be white, then you are not going to add turmeric, but I am going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder for some color. We're going to stir this nicely and let it fry on medium heat for about 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, we are going to take this and add it to our boiled samp. Now mix this well together and add about 1 tablespoon of salt. Now let this cook on medium heat for about 10 minutes, stirring every 2 to 3 minutes to ensure that it does not stick to the pot. Once it's done, you can serve the samp with some sugar beans curry, mutton curry, or even with a plain tomato chutney. Today I'm serving the samp with some sugar beans curry. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon.